I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. I want you to know that you'll be the one, and I'll be the guy who'll be on his knees to say I love you and I need you, and see I die for you. Just give me your forever. I was gonna spend my life with you. I promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always. I remember the day, even wrote down the day that I fell for you. Now it's crossed out in red, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. And it drives me insane, think I'm hearing your name everywhere I go. But it's all in my head, it's just all in my head. But you won't see me break, call you up in 3 days, or send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne. And you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say you want the best thing. Iwan na araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away bati natin di na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong
Love me?
I promise I'm yours,
Do you love me?
always and forever. Through the good and the bad,
Ulit.
always and
Do you love me? Yes. Oo. Bakit Miss? Do you love me?
I promise I love you. You daffodils on a pretty string, but they won't flower like the last spring. And I wanna keep.
Ikaw ang simula, mapahanggang wakas, di na matapos pa. At sa tuwing ika'y wala, di
Ibigin kita kahit kalabot ka pa rin. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata.
Me? Obsessed with you?
Alright.
Yes, I am.
Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about no. Magaling siya makipagbiruan, pero ang puso mo'y hindi paglalaruan. Swerte mo kung mapapibigyan, ingatan mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Aimee! I miss you. See you soon.
Hi, Amy. Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Madam. Happy birthday, Amy.
Hi, Mi! Happy birthday! Kumusta? Sobrang miss na kita. Sobrang miss ko na yung kakulitan mo. At yung pagiging clingy mo. Sobrang pagiging malambing. Wish ko ngayong birthday mo, sana good health ka lang palagi. And then, sana mas maging strong pa yung relationship niyo ni Didin. And sana ingatan mo rin si Didin, ha? Miss na miss ko na kayo sobra. Love you, me. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amy. More birthdays to come. Stay pretty and healthy. We hope to see you soon. God bless.
Shoutout nga pala dyan sa friend ko sa Qatar. Happy birthday. 35 ka naman ngayon. Happy birthday, bebe. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw. And sana huwag ka masyadong imotera. Huwag masyadong mamiss si Didi. Kasi alam ko pagbalik ni Didi dyan, aaway mo na naman. Kaya mo muna si Didi dito sa Pinas, ha? Hinga ka lang dyan. Ay, hindi pala pahinga. Makabisi ka muna dyan sa work. Yun lang. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Miss you, bebe. Huwag masyadong mamiss, ha? Alam ko, miss mo na ako. Love you, Amy Tot. Birthday. Mwah.
Hi, Amy. Happy birthday, anak. Happy 33 birthday. Sana makamtan mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Masaya ka.
Hi, Lovey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lovey. See you soon. I wish you all the best. Mag-iingat ka palagi. I miss you. I love you. Love you. Sana nagustuhan mo yung pa-video ko. Bawi na lang tayo. Sa next life. I love you. Bye-bye. Huwag kang iiyak, ah. Love you.